Well, hey guys, I'm on Royal Caribbean's Mariner of the Seas, and I'm on deck 5, and I'm going to take you to the very front of the boat. This is where the heliport is, where they land the helicopters in case of an emergency. So, hey, let's turn the camera around and we'll check out the very front of the Mariner of the Seas. Yeah, looks like we got to go up some stairs. I see the heliport up there, or helipad, I'm not sure what you call it. Kind of do a circle here and let you kind of see where we're at. There's where the captain sits, right up there, or the bridge, what most people call it. All right, let's walk right up in the very front. I'm looking right off the very front of the boat. Look down. I bet a lot of people come get their picture made right here, kind of like that scene in Titanic. Way over there I see a ship. I don't know if I can zoom in or not. Do one more circle before we go back down. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other cruise videos. Till next time, happy cruising.